Welcome to Baalanandam YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain worksheets of Games and Recreation, 3rd Class EVS Workbook. This is SURYAPRAKASH and this video is created for teachers and parents as a resource. Please do subscribe. Worksheet number 1, glossary is given. Concept. Rhyme for introduction. Different types of games. By heart the rhyme. Rewrite the following words. Recreation, indoor games, rhyme, games and sports. Second one, answer the following questions. First one, what is recreation? Answer, an activity we do for pleasure or to get our body relaxed is called recreation. Second question, which game do you like most? Answer, I like caroms. Third question, name the games you play with your friends. Carom, cricket, kabaddi and kho-kho. Worksheet number 2. Concept, indoor, outdoor games. First one, rewrite the following words. Indoor games, outdoor games, cricket, chess, carom, local games, ludo. Second one, match the following. Cricket, answer E, bat and ball. Chess, answer A, black and white squares. Third one, caroms, answer D, indoor game. Fourth one, local games, answer C, Nelabanda. Last one, 5, ludo, answer B, dice. Next, third one, fill in the blanks. First one, we play games for dash, pleasure and recreation. Second one, an example for indoor games is caroms. Third one, cricket is a dash game, outdoor game. Fourth one, to play cricket, dash members are required, 11. Fourth one, join the dots, color the picture and write the names of the following. Here, I have given the pictures with colors and with names. Next, worksheet number 3. Concept, local games and material. Rewrite the following words. First one, village. Local games, frequent, favorite and require. Next, second one, select and write the suitable words with the help of the pictures in the blanks. Yedu penkulata, tokkudu billa, bongaram mata, karra billa. First picture, karra billa. Second picture, tokkudu billa. Third one, yedu penkulata. And last picture, bongaram ata. Next, third one, list out the local games played in your area. Answer, yedu penkulata, tokkudu billa, karra billa, bongaram mata, donga police, puli meka, skipping, hopping, lemon and spoon. Next, worksheet number 4. Concept, sports for all, uses of games. Rewrite the following words. Encourage, football, healthy, equal, capable and old. Next, second one, mind map. Uses of sports and games. Pleasure and recreation. Develop concentration and patience. Good health. Develop cooperation, unity and leadership. Next, third one, let's draw. Draw the diagram of chessboard. Here I have given the diagram of chessboard. Next, fourth one, choose the correct answer. First one, this is not an outdoor game. Answer C, chess. Second one, playing games and sports is dash. Answer B, recreation. Third one, games played in the open fields, dash. Answer B, outdoor game. Fourth one, name any one local game. Answer C, Karabilla. Next, we use this while watching TV. Answer C, remote control. Next, worksheet number 5. Concept, improve your learning. Conceptual understanding. Answer the following questions. First question, write 5 outdoor games you like to play. Answer, cricket, kabaddi, badminton, tennis and volleyball. Second question, write the rules of any game you know. Here I am giving the rules of cricket. First one, cricket is played between 2 teams of 11 players each. Second one, like this we have to write. Next, questioning. Name your friends who play with you daily at home. Answer, Hasini, Lasya, Ajit, Manohar, Mohini, Roja, Kusumakar, Meghana, Prasad play with me daily at home. Here students have to write the friends who play with them. Next, experiments and field observations. Play a local game mentioned in the textbook and write your experiences. Next, information skills, project work. Ask your friends about the games they like. Fill in the table with the details. Name games he or she likes. Hasini, caroms. Lasya, chess. Ravali, kabaddi. Manohar, cricket. Next, fifth one, drawing pictures and model making. Sixth one, prepare the play items with clay, example ball, bat, tennis coin, tennis racket, shuttlecock, etc. and display in your classroom. This is a student's activity. Next, appreciation. Your friend won a prize at the school level games on 15th August. He showed it to you. How do you appreciate him or her? Answer, I feel very happy and proud of my friend. I encourage him and his success makes me feel inspired. Next, assessment 10. Choose the correct answer. First one, games which can be played inside a house are called dash games. Answer B, indoor games. Second one, we use dash to play skipping. Answer A, skipping rope. Third one, playing dash games continuously affects our eyes, causes obesity and ill health. Answer B, video games. Next, second one, fill in the blanks. First one, an activity we do for pleasure or to get our body relaxed is called recreation. Second one, ball, bat and stumps are the things required to play dash, cricket. Third one, all games have certain dash that must be followed by the players, rules. Next, third one, matching the following. First one, Karabilla. Answer C, local game. Second one, Kabaddi. Answer A, state game. Third one, hockey. Answer B, national game. Next, fourth one, draw and color. Draw a football and color it. Here I have given a football with colors. Next, fifth one, answer the following questions. First one, what happens if you don't play a game with team spirit? Answer, If you don't play a game with team spirit, the team may not work together properly. There may be misunderstandings, arguments, and poor coordination among players. As a result, the team is less likely to win or perform well. Second one, how does recreation help us? Answer. Recreation helps us to be healthy and fit. It